Hi YouTube, welcome back. We just took off as you saw and we detached 800 meters over sea level, which is 350 meters over ground, and we already are at 1100 meters in the Föhn. So you see the mountain on the left hand side called Vigis, which is not moving but the wind is. We enjoy this.
The sequence you just saw was the beginning of a 3.5 hour flight I took with my friend Silvio, which was quite special as we made it up into wave up to 4,500 meters. The tow, we just only needed 350 meters, and as the title suggested, I will actually show in this video the takeoff for this flight, which is unusual as the Föhn actually made it all the way down into the valley. So normally we take off runway 01 in Mollis, but now we had to move the glider all the way back to the other side of the airfield, runway 19er, where we take off into the Föhn, which is quite turbulent and exciting, so please take a good look.
Okay. Also, ga ze inhangen.
And close.
Can you check it works? Okay.
Don't release it?
No, I don't release.
Yep.
Dan machen wir zu. Das machen wir zu. Also ich mache Takeoff, gell?
Ja.
Nein, nur zum Sagen. Dass wir uns einverstanden sind. Okay, Luftraum frei.
Please ignore the strange black spots that show up in this video. We're using a new version of the 360 camera software and I think there's a bug.
Takeoff 19er with flight direction
Hey, turn the look.
Yep.
Mollis traffic, glider rotor Bravo 2500. Landing direction Mollis. Position Vigis from
Geschwindigkeit okay.
6000 feet.
Ik zie eens wie het staubt heeft, de piste, unglaublich. Okay, Geschwindigkeit 120. Bestiegend, nicht wahnsinnig, aber bestiegend.
Up to this point, the takeoff in the tow is absolutely normal, a little bit more turbulent than usual, but absolutely okay. Now the tow has to move over the trees at some point, and we would like to do this sooner rather than later, but there's a big building that causes a down wave, a small one, and you see the tow plate go down, we go down. And at this point it's actually quite critical. If there would be an engine failure here, we would be in deep Kangoo. But just a couple of seconds later we actually find ourselves in lift and we fly straight towards the slope of the Vigis mountain, and very soon we find lift and then we're quite safe.
Traffic, glider rotor Bravo 2500, downwind runway 19er, geared down and locked.
Okay, 600 meter. Also Umkehrkurve nach rechts könnte man machen im Notfall. Nach links meine ich.
As this is the second flight that I do this day, in fact I had already taken off with the Arcus M just to do a quick flight to keep current in that machine. I knew exactly what the Föhn situation and the wind situation was like, and knew that it would be okay to detach a tow plane at 800 meters, which is just 350 meters over ground. So here I detach, and it's really easy to get the connection with the Föhn. So within very short time we find ourselves at 1100 meters in a very good climb, and we start our wonderful flight where we go into wave up to 4,500 meters, which I will show in a future video. So thanks for watching, please leave comments, and hope to see you soon.
Kan we rechts.
Ground 2500, runway vacated.
Alles oké voor dich?
Ja, mag ik. Dat is goed.